By the time I turned on the camera, we're already at £22. Forgot about it for a second there, but here we go, I suppose. It's a nice Friday evening. Oh, nice little horse shit around. Oh yeah. Go on then, little Corsa. I was really surprised to collect 22 quid in less than an hour actually. It came out about 55 minutes ago, and by the time I had a minute to put the camera on, I've already done 4 deliveries for 22. I haven't really been able to deliver that much recently because the weather has been either absolutely shocking. The weather has been either absolutely shocking or just too sunny and everybody was out and there was no demand, so I didn't come out. But hopefully this Friday will be a bit more busy. It is so far, so hoping for a good shift. I think I'm just gonna go do this quick Itsu order because for whatever reason McDonald's has shut down for 10 minutes. So jumped on Deliveroo and immediately got an Itsu for quite close by, so we'll try and fit this in within the schedule. Itsu is very quick usually, so that's no issue. Actually, I prefer it to McDonald's anyway, so no complaints from here. Oh, and it's ready already. Oh, there we go. Hey boss, just taking this one. Thank you. Okay, well that was quick. I reckon it's about 4-minute cycle. Most important thing is it's not uphill. Believe it or not, that was a Volkswagen Polo making that much noise. Absolutely hideous. No way. Nah, you know what? I'm not going up that way. We got plenty of time. I'm just gonna go around. Stupid Google Maps. Yeah, that was entirely my mistake. I was just blindly following Google Maps, not paying attention. So that didn't work out for me, but anyway. Just gotta use my brain sometimes too, because I knew there were plenty of stairs there. Oh, look at that. In the meantime, I'm getting another order just going out a bit north, and I quite like that actually. So I'm going to add that and keep on delivering. All right. Thanks. Is everything for you okay?
Thank you very much.
Brilliant. Cheers. Enjoy. Fantastic. Yeah, delivery was a good idea. Uber Eats just had 5 minutes of slow time, and I thought, yeah, why not come on mine? Right, let's go to this Indian restaurant, Dhamaka, just down in the city centre where we came from. Well, not as far back, but quite close to here actually. Is that this one? Yeah. It's a strange system, this one, you'll see. They have a little extra side window for deliveries. Let's have a look. There we go. Hello! I'm gonna shout apparently. Hello, you're right.
Yeah.
I got 7669.
7669.
7669, that's the one, yeah. Oh, I saw them. Brilliant. Fantastic, buddy. Thank you. Cheers. So what do you think of that? Certainly a novel approach. I'll give them that. But as long as it's fast, I don't care about anything else. Right. Find my phone. Yeah, there we go. Alex. Haven't seen you in ages.
How are you?
Well, that's just because I haven't been delivering. How's it going?
Pretty slow.
Slow? I've had a crazy hour just now.
Yeah, but you always do for some reason.
The algorithm likes me, I suppose.
Yeah, because you don't come out much.
Yeah,
you
that's
can
right.
Make up for the
That's
absence.
it. You work in 8 hours, or?
Since 12. So yeah.
Flipping it.
Am I on there right now?
Yes.
For later.
For later. Yeah.
I'm leaving Bristol.
No way, no.
But
Fair
I'm
enough.
supposed to come back.
Where are you going? How far are you going?
London,
Ugh.
because my friends have a flat that they don't have to pay rent for, and they have a room
Okay.
just for me.
Nice.
So not paying rent in London sounds like a good idea.
That is ideal. To be fair, yeah, I'll take that.
Exactly. Fair enough. Okay, well, pop in if you want to.
Yes.
I'll send you the details.
Okay, cool.
Add you on the list.
Sounds good. I never say no to house parties, but
Your name is
that
auto-corrected
is
to
my
Blast.
Blast. Hey, some people call me Bollard, so
Who?
literally.
Where are those letters from?
I have no idea. They just hear my name and then they're like, oh, what's the closest English word for that?
We got it already. Thank you.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Okay.
Okay, well, okay, it was nice seeing you.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care, bye. Very nice to see friendly faces sometimes. See, the thing is, you'd think that everyone is friends with everyone, but that, you know, people doing the job, Uber Eats and Deliveroo. But technically we are each other's competitors, right? So, not quite. Some people are quite sour about it and they just look at everyone else as other people that are stealing their jobs, right? So, as in like literally taking the order instead of them. So it's very harsh competition between some people, but I mean, Alex is great, so she's a good friend. All right. I gotta say, I'm getting hungry. I think I'm gonna cut tonight quite short because I made a mistake of not eating enough before coming out. It's fair enough, it's already 8 p.m. so I always do this couple of hours only. You know, the busiest rush hour is all I'm interested in. I don't want to be doing 12-hour shifts like Alex, who you saw earlier. I just do the best hours, and if it's getting quiet then I might just go home because I'm starving. But not before I deliver this and maybe another one. We'll see. Oh wow, those are just gaping holes in the middle of the street. Wow. It's like 20 feet deep, some of them. Okay. Should be us. Hello, how you doing? Got your Friday curry? Alright, enjoy.
Number 60, I think it is.
Oh, you've got a pin.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. It's not even working. Alright, here we go. What was it again, sorry?
60.
60. Fantastic.
Amazing.
Alright, well, I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye now. Alright. It's really annoying. Some of them have PIN numbers, some of them don't. I don't really know what it depends on. I think the customers with the full app and everything have the code, or customers that choose to have it. I have no idea, but it's so on and off that you always forget that you're supposed to ask for the PIN number. But anyway, she was super nice, wasn't she? Right, let's get back towards the city. That was another £4.70, I think. £4.70. It was only about 4 or 5 minutes cycling. Not complaining. Really nice and quick and easy jobs today. Right, okay, so here we go. I'm trying to go online again with Uber Eats, and it's one of those random checks that it wants me to do. Like taking a photo of myself that it's really me, so alright. I mean, I don't care. Let's do this. Hello. Gosh, my hair is ridiculous. Right, thanks for verifying. It's a super nice picture, wasn't it? We're back online with Uber Eats. Phenomenal. Right. So that's about £10 already in the last 25 minutes. On top of this 22 quid with Uber Eats. So, for some reason, seems like this Friday is the one. Really easy to work tonight. I wish I wasn't this hungry. I tell you what, I could smell the curry coming from behind from my pannier rack, and it was delicious. Oh my god. It's a weird system to give the food out at Dhamaka, but they can cook, that's for sure. Right, so we're up north on Gloucester Road. We're going to be going down towards the city centre. We'll see if we can pick up anything. As you can see, there's a heat map of an extra £1 where I am and towards the city, so I'm not going to undertake this van. But yeah, so I'm hoping that's going to be quite alright. And of course, it wouldn't be Friday without massive amounts of Indian deliveries, Indian places. So I'm right next to this one that's calling me back just to turn back around. Oh, Kolkata, they know me there. The manager, if he's in, he is a super nice dude. I don't think he's the manager, I think he's the owner. So yeah, he's super cool. Right, so here we go. Oh, Kolkata. I think it's just around there, yep. If you're ever in Bristol, I can definitely recommend this. Phenomenal restaurant. Let's have a look. Hello, I've got beef. Oh, it might even be ready. Ah, brilliant, it's ready already. Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Alright, just pop it in there, thank you. Thank you very much. The owner is not in today?
What?
The owner. The manager is not in?
No, he's there.
Oh, he's there. Ah, brilliant. Cheers, boss. Thank you. Right, yeah, he's across. I forgot it because they also own that one. So he's just across the road. Almost took someone else's bike, oh my god. Oh, hello there, I was just looking for you.
Hello.
How's it going?
Very good, very good. Nice to see you, man.
Nice to see you. I just asked in there where you were because I was expecting to talk to you for a second.
All right, okay.
How's it going? It's a nice Friday. Everybody's ordering Indian. Right.
Yes,
It's always busy. Every single Friday I'm here for like, I don't even know, like 5 times at least. Yeah. Right, it's nice seeing you. I'm going to be back.
Thank you. Yes, yeah, all right. Good to see you. Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
See you around, man. Yes, it is.
Very good.
Helps me a lot.
Take care.
You too, man. Ah, see, I was sad for a second, but I'm not gonna have a chat. We always do. Super nice guy. That's why I say, if you ever have the chance to come here, do visit. Google Maps says 11 minutes cycling, but that's definitely not true. Because as he said, I'm electric and it's uphill, so it's calculating uphill cycling speeds, and I can go faster than that, that's for sure. It's gonna be about 6-7 minutes. No problem, even with this headwind. I'm really glad I came out tonight. It really elevated my mood a little bit, that's for sure. Just talking to all these people, it's quite nice to get out of the house and talk to all these, even if random people, you know. Like that nice lady just before who I dropped the order off to. She was super nice. And it's just like nice to have these little interactions during the day. I think it just helps everyone's mentally, doesn't it? Just quite nice to say hi. chat. Okay, steepest bit coming up now, so I just shut up and try and pedal. Okay, might be it. Ooh. What a nice little parking spot they left me. Okay. Hello, how you doing?
Yeah,
all right.
you're right.
Enjoy. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Right, that was quick and easy as I said. Yeah, 5 minutes ago we started, not 11, as Google Maps says. Google Maps really needs an electric bike option. Because it's just inaccurate, isn't it? Alright, let's have a look if it comes in. Yeah, okay, 4.55. That's £1 a minute. That's £1 a minute, guys. So, at least for the cycling portion of it. £1 a minute is not something I am going to be complaining about. Righty, I think I may call it a day here, guys. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to comment below what you think about Alex moving away. That's quite sad, but anyway, I hope to see you next time. See ya.